Quantum tricks again. Thanks for your interest. Today's topic is motors. Where do we use motors? Motors are used for moving vehicles. Do you know how Arduino controls two DC motors? Let's know about it. This is a image of one DC motor. What is a motor driver? Motor driver is a chip that controls the motors through current or voltage. It makes Arduino to rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, and in some motor drivers we can even control the speed of motors with analog output. Here are some examples of motor drivers. This is L298N motor driver, a heavy duty motor driver which is widely used. This motor driver is called as L293D. This is a chip. We are going to use L298N motor driver module to control our DC motors. It looks like this. Motor 1 output is out 1 and out 2. Motor 2 out is out 3 and out 4. These two will be connected to motor 2. This can bear up to 12 volts. So 12 volt input will be given from this channel. And the grounding is just beside the input. And this has a capability to even give output of 5 volts, which is beside ground. These are the pins which will be connected to Arduino. This E and A pin will be connected to motor 1 to control the speed of motors. E and B is connected to motor 2, which will help to control the motor 2. In 1 and 2 is for controlling motor 1. In 3 and 4 is used for controlling motor 2. These are the two jumpers which are connected. If you connect these two jumpers, the motors will rotate in its top speed. When you remove these jumpers, which will be connected to Arduino, and you can control the motor's speed. There is another jumper right here, which is used for giving 5 volt output to the board. If you are giving 12 volt in, then you can connect this jumper, or you should remove this jumper if you are giving input more than 12 volts, because there is a voltage regulator over here where this voltage regulator is connected to 5V out. If this can bear only 12 volts. What are the features of motor driver? It can control two DC motors or a stepper motor. It has a power rating of maximum of 35 volts and has 5 volts out to the board. It has a speed controlling analog out pins and 2 for clockwise and 2 for anti-clockwise rotation of the motor. It has a capability to run for more than 5 hours continuously.